Strategic jet placement in the front of the head keeps the head clean, the cutters cool, and promotes spoil transfer into the body of the cutting tool. Air and spoil bypass is limited by the seal band directly behind the cutters. The main jet deep inside the flex tool barrel creates a vacuum which helps pull material in as it blows the cuttings through the spoil pipe. This is the path of least resistance. The air carries the spoil back to the bore pit and it blows out the side of the diverter, then into a containment pit where it can be removed.
Air pressure is applied that inflates a bladder, resulting in the expansion and pressing of the full wrap to the entire inside diameter of the main line and around the lateral connection, eliminating infiltration. At the same time, the CIPP liner is inverted through the service lateral at the desired length. Resin saturation, commonly referred to as wet out, is done at the job site. A thermosetting resin is inserted into the felt liner while the liner is under vacuum to ensure thorough resin saturation.
Here we see a substation earth grid 36 inches below grade designed as a Faraday cage to protect the workers and equipment inside from abnormal overvoltages caused by electrical faults. We now take a closer look at a cross-section of the copper weld ground wire used for an earth grid. We see the wire is actually a bimetal with a steel core and a thick copper shell metallurgically bonded together via the copper weld process, meeting ASTM B910.
Start by digging out each side of the pilot cut to a depth of 3 to 4 feet depending on the stability of your soil. Try to keep straight sidewalls if possible. Start the installation of your system by placing the first slide rail base plate inside the pilot cut with the knife edge facing in. Make sure the panel is secure, and then place the first corner rail over the interlock of the first panel, using the back channel of the corner rail. Continue this process around the pit, adding more corner rails and base plates until you have a closed 4-sided pit.